Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be going over how to monitor Windows machines with Prometheus metrics using Nagios XI. Monitoring Windows machines with Prometheus metrics using Nagios XI adds critical alerting and visualization capabilities to raw time series data. While Prometheus collects performance metrics, Nagios XI can trigger alerts, escalate issues, and integrate with existing IT workflows when thresholds are breached. This pairing ensures you get both deep visibility and actionable intelligence from your infrastructure monitoring. Let's dive right into today's video. The first step we want to do is head over to the Windows exporter on the Prometheus GitHub in order to get the agent downloaded. We can use the URL of github.com/prometheus-community/windows_exporter/releases. We'll have this URL linked in the description of this YouTube video. When on this page, we want to make sure that we are not going to be downloading any of the beta versions. We can scroll down and find the most recent version that is actually released. The version we will be downloading today is the AMD 64.msi version. This is the Microsoft installer package. After it's downloaded to your machine, open up and let's go through the setup process together. If this Windows Protected Your PC page comes up, we can click More Info and then click Run Anyway. Starting from the top, we can click Next. And then here, we are going to choose Entire feature will be installed on local hard drive. We can click Next. And then here we have 4 different options. Starting at the top of this page, we have the list of the collectors to use. This controls which system metrics you want to export. Next, we have additional command line flags. This lets you add options such as logging settings or custom endpoints. Beneath, we have the port to listen on, which we want it to be 9182. And then beneath this, we have the path to the configuration file. When this page is configured to your liking, we can click Next. Now we can click Install. And then finally, we want to click Finish. Let's head over to Nagios XI now. When on Nagios XI, head to the left side, hover over the gear icon, and then click on Configuration Wizards. At the search bar, let's search up Prometheus, and the Prometheus Wizard will pop up. We can click on it. Under Operating System, we want to make sure we are on Windows. When choosing Windows, the host port will automatically change. For your host address, you want to add the IP address of the Windows machine where you just configured the Prometheus Windows exporter on. Here we have the fun settings we can configure and go pretty deep into. Starting at the top, we have the services. We have CPU usage, memory usage, and lastly, disk usage. These are automatically checkmarked, meaning you will be monitoring these services. If you simply uncheckmark it, you will not be monitoring these services anymore. To the right of each service, we have the thresholds for warning and then critical. The default values for warning is 80%, and the default values for critical is 90%. These numbers are customizable to your liking and your needs. Down below, we have the custom metrics. There are a ton of different metrics to go over. To be exact, Prometheus found 5,192 different metrics. If you want to add a metric, you can simply click on the metric, and they will be added down below. If you have certain metrics that you know you already want to add, instead of having to go through 5,000 different ones, you can simply use the search function and type in keywords, and they will show up. Going down to the bottom of each metric, starting from the left side, we have the service name. This is what it will populate in Nagios XI as. You're more than welcome to switch this to whatever you want it to be. To the right of it, we have the current value of what it's at. After that, we have two different thresholds, the warning and then the critical. You have to fill these fields out. Let's say you added a service without wanting to add it and you didn't know how to delete it. We have this trash can function here where you can simply click it and it will get rid of the different metric. After this page is configured to your liking, we can click Next. On this page, we have the check interval settings. Starting at the top, under normal circumstances, Nagios XI will monitor the host and service every 5 minutes. This number is customizable to your liking and your needs. The next setting is, when a potential problem is first detected, Nagios XI will recheck the host and service every 1 minute up to 5 times before sending a notification. These numbers are just as customizable. After you have this page configured to your liking, we can click Next. Here we have some notification settings. The default setting is send a notification immediately, but you can turn notifications off completely or wait a certain amount of time before sending a notification. On the second to last page, we have host groups and parent host groups. I will leave in this default just for demo purposes. We can click Next, and lastly, Finish and Apply to add our new configuration. If you want to view the status details for the wizard you just configured, we can click View Status Details, and it will bring us directly to our host. I'm going to do a quick force check here. And as we can tell, our services are currently pending. And that's all. I hope everyone was able to successfully configure the Prometheus agent correctly and configure on Nagios XI so they can monitor their Windows machines. For any more support or additional assistance, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and happy monitoring.